Bitcoin is looking very bullish. In this video I will tell you what is next for Bitcoin and what we can expect in the coming days. I will have a look at several time frames and I will also have a look at some altcoins. So slap up that like button, comment under the video, follow me on X and let's dive right into the charts. In my previous videos I've been discussing this huge inverse head and shoulders for Bitcoin a lot. We can see the left shoulder, the head and the right shoulder unfolding. And 2 days ago we broke the neckline resistance, came up a little bit and now we are bouncing back down. I will show you a clip of my latest video where I discuss my new Bitcoin trade. Yeah, what I expect for Bitcoin is that we're going to see a little bit of a bounce back to the previous resistance to turn it into support. And from this point, if the support holds, you can enter the market in a long. Because yeah, this is a beautiful trade to make because this previous resistance was very strong. We want to see a retest of this previous resistance as support, and that will be considered very bullish. So as I was saying, when the price of Bitcoin was here, that I was expecting a little bit of a bounce back to this huge resistance area to turn it into support. And as we can see Bitcoin fell back to this support area, and the support held strong, and now we're back up. And I made this long trade after this retest. And as you can see, I'm currently in this long. I've been in this long since the $64,775. And we're now at above the 66, and you can see the timestamp here. So I'm almost in the 40% profit. And yeah, I'm taking some profits on the way up, of course. But yeah, this was a very beautiful trade to make. And if you want to trade these kind of breakouts for Bitcoin, you can just sign up with the links in the description. You can sign up for Bybit with this partner link. You can get up to 30,000 in bonuses. And you can also sign up with this CoinW link in the description. And if you click on the CoinW link, you will come on this landing page. You can get 5 USDT in cash when you sign up, and you can get other bonuses when you deposit money or when you trade futures. So just sign up and start trading. If we then have a look at another 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin, is that we can see the Bitcoin chart broke out on the top side of this huge consolidation formation. And yeah, we are currently also seeing a little bit of resistance. This resistance is from earlier price action, because this resistance was also here, and here we saw resistance and support. So yeah, the next level for Bitcoin to beat is this 66,000. So we need to see a break above this level, then retest the previous resistance as support, and from here you can maybe take another long and then aim for higher prices. But for now, yeah, we have to be a little bit cautious because we have to see if this resistance is getting broken, or that we are going to see a rejection from this point and then come back down a little bit. But yeah, the price action for Bitcoin looks very healthy at the moment. And this is also due to the fact that the Bitcoin ETF saw a huge inflow yesterday again. We saw an inflow of 257 million again, so that's huge. And we are now seeing 4 consecutive days of huge inflow. The BlackRock ETF started buying again yesterday, so they almost bought for 100 million, and Grayscale also bought, so that's very positive. Yeah, if this kind of net inflow for Bitcoin happens on a daily basis, we can see Bitcoin getting to an all-time high soon. So yeah, that's also very bullish, because this is a lot of money coming into the Bitcoin market. Another interesting pattern I want to talk with you about is this Bullflag pattern for Bitcoin. We can see a huge Bullflag unfolding, and we can also see on the weekly time frame, we can see this resistance area is getting turned into support after this break. So this is a very bullish retest for Bitcoin. But if we then have a look at this Bullflag, and maybe we can look at it on the daily time frame, then we can see Bitcoin is in this Bullflag formation after this huge run up. We can now see a consolidation happening. Yeah, and if this Bullflag breaks to the top side, we can see prices around the $92,000, and that of course will be an insane target. So first we want to see a break above this level, then we want to see a retest of the previous all-time high, and yeah, from there we maybe can see a bounce back up, test that previous all-time high support, and aim for higher prices. Also with the inflow of institutional money through the Bitcoin ETFs, I expect that we can see an exponential move coming next for Bitcoin. And this price target will be around the $92,000. So yeah, that's an insane target. But yeah, we have seen more interesting moves for Bitcoin, especially earlier this year. So yeah, this move can also happen very soon. So the first altcoin I want to discuss with you is Chainlink. Chainlink came back in this huge resistance and support range. And yesterday we broke out to the top side because there was a lot of huge news. Because Chainlink's completed its test with JP Morgan, Templeton, BNY Mellon and other major US banks. So they want to accelerate the tokenization of funds. And they are backed by a lot of great partners. So this is very huge for Chainlink. And yeah, that was why the prices started pumping again. For Chainlink, we want to see a break of this huge resistance support area. And yeah, we need to see a break above this level, retest the previous resistance as support, and then come further back up. But also, of course, we can see a little bit of a rejection from this point and come back down. But yeah, the fundamentals for Chainlink are so very strong, and they every day they come out with bigger news. And I think this was one of the biggest news in this year for Chainlink. So yeah, in the long term, I think Chainlink is very bullish, and currently we are around the $15/$16. But I think Chainlink will be trading above the $100 in this bull cycle. The second altcoin I want to talk with you about is Ethereum. Ethereum is in this huge consolidation on the daily time frame. We can see a run up, a huge consolidation to the downside in this falling wedge / falling channel formation. We can also see a lot of support and resistance coming into this formation. And currently we are at the support, but we can see this trendline resistance with multiple touches on the top side, and also this huge horizontal support, which is holding strong. And this price is coming to an apex, and we will see a massive move for Ethereum next. Yeah, we can expect a move to the top side, and that will be, yeah, we will see a break of this point. And then we will see a break of this point, and then a retest to test the previous resistance as support, and then come further back up. Or we can see a break to the downside, test the previous support as resistance, and then come further back down. But yeah, after this huge consolidation pattern, yeah, this is a typical bullish bias pattern. And yeah, we tend to break to the upside. So the chances are bigger that we are breaking to the upside than we are breaking to the downside. But yeah, we have to always think in two scenarios, so anything can happen. You can be prepared for this move, but yeah, this is a beautiful trade to make. So this breakout target of this falling wedge will be around the $4,000. So that's a huge trade to make. Another interesting altcoin I want to talk with you about is RUNE. Thorchain has been in this, has been back in this consolidation range with support on the lower side and a little bit of resistance, and yeah, you can see support here on the top side. And currently, yeah, we fell below this support again, and we're grinding a little bit upwards. So the price is looking a little bit more bullish now. And the first thing I want to see a break of this resistance to turn it into support, and then aim for higher prices. We can see a lot of bullishness coming into the market for RUNE. If we then change the trend lines, we can also see that RUNE has seen this breakout earlier this week, and we can see multiple touches on the top side as resistance, and also a lot of support touches on the downside. And yeah, we broke out earlier this week, and yeah, this is looking very bullish for RUNE. And the breakout target to the top side will be around the $11. So that's a huge trade to make. What I'm waiting for, if I want to trade RUNE in a long, I want to see a touch of this previous resistance to turn it into support. And from here, I may enter the market in a long, and then aim for higher prices. But yeah, if we are going to see a retest from the point of retest, it will still be this is an insane trade to make, because it will be a 90% increase. And yeah, you can beautifully trade this pattern. So this was it for today. Slap up that like button, comment under the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to never miss a video in the future. You can also follow me on X, where I post my daily content about Bitcoin and crypto in general, and I will update you about the latest news in the crypto space. You can also join my free Telegram group, where I post more in-depth analysis about Bitcoin. I hope you find this video useful, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.